Hey, welcome. I was talking to Angela today, and she was telling me how much she really, really loves nachos. And I was telling her I like tacos. Not that I don't like nachos, but I really love tacos. So we kept going back and forth about it, and what we decided to do was to compare the two and see which one tastes the best as we prepare. And we're going to also do it healthier us style, and we'll just add a little flavor to it, different ways to mix it up and make it healthy with different options. Maybe you can use these ingredients and you can also make the comparison. All this and more is coming up on A Healthier Us. Let's do it. Welcome back. Okay, Angela, tell us what you got.
I have some nachos. So I've been really wanting some nachos. So that's what I'm going to make. So I'm going to make it healthy by not using ground beef. So we're going to use some ground turkey today in these nachos. And they're going to be out of sight and dynamite.
Bon appetit. That's Spanish, right?
Exactly.
Okay, so I'm going to have a plant-based meat that I'm going to use. And then I'm going to add some onions and tomatoes. I put that in first. Always add olive oil. So I put the olive oil in. I add the tomatoes and the onions. And then I throw in that meat. And it's kind of like a crumble already. And then you stir it up real good. Then I'm going to mix my Spanish-style seasonings in there. Inside of those seasonings, I have some onion-based powder, a little bit of the garlic base with black pepper and some paprika. And just a couple other secret ingredients, but those are the main ones, and those are the ones that are important. So make sure you mix all that in there, and it's going to be awesome. And then I'll prepare my taco after that, and add all the taco stuff and this,
That sounds really good.
Yeah.
And it sounds very healthy too. So that's what we're going to cook for you today, guys. So he's making the tacos, and I'm making the nachos.
There you go.
All right.
But those are going to be mine.
The
Nachos. We're finally done. Everything is all wrapped up. Angela has prepared the nachos. I have the tacos prepared, and I'm going to try the nachos. She said when she was taste testing it, it was delicious. So we'll see if that's true. I'm going to give a little taste here, and I'll let you guys know.
Wait, hold up. Those are mine, nachos. I just kidding.
Hold on.
Go ahead.
Little stuff. A little bit of meat. Let's see what we got here, okay?
Yeah.
Cool. Well, basically, guys, while he's chewing that, I put, the the toppings is lettuce, tomatoes, a few pieces of onions, and I use a non-GMO tortilla chip, and also some cheese, sour cream, and guacamole. So, how was that?
You have outdone yourself. You really did a great job on that.
Thank you.
That is delicious.
Thank you.
And as much as I do love tacos, those are some really good nachos. So well done.
Thank you. Well
done.
Well, let me see what you got over there. Let me check out your tacos. Let's see. This is plant-based too. So this is the first time I really tasted a plant-based, or we ever did a plant-based taco. So let's see. Let's see what it tastes like. First time on my face.
Wow! I'm gonna try some more of this. I know you already took a bite. Yeah. Like it. So, like I said, you already know the ingredients I put in added to the plant-based meat, and then the extra toppings that we have prepared was lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, sour cream, guacamole.
Well, actually,
so it's real good.
It's very tasty. So you did a great job seasoning the plant-based protein. So, I mean, it's really good. And of course, we got the toppings as far as the tomatoes, the lettuce, and the guacamole and sour cream. All that came together, and it was like, wow, bon appetit. So it was very good. So you did a really good job on those tacos.
Thank you. What would you say? It was a tie?
I would say it's a tie. You know what? Because we got two healthy, delicious meals here.
Yeah.
So we how can we say it? What did we just do to these dishes?
We just made them a HealthierUs style.
Exactly.
We just put a little bit of flavor on it, and got it done as a team, and just as I always say, you eat, and you can add whatever, shrimp, beef, whatever, but always think of ways that you can have a good time, that you can eat healthy, that you can enjoy what you eat. So it won't only be healthier her, healthier him, but it can be a healthier us.
Exactly.
Right. So we'll see you next time, okay? We'll have another show coming soon, all right?
Right.